The harvest this year is better than we expected. Truly a blessing.
Indeed. If we continue these methods, the whole village will prosper.
This path we choose now will define our future. We must move forward, together, with hope in our hearts.
We cannot agree on the distribution. It is simply not fair.
You agreed to this last month.
Things have changed since then.
He's coming this way.
Look at the blade, it's very sharp.
I must go into the woods for carving wood.
No, absolutely not. It is too dangerous now.
The old man is strong for his age.
Yes, he is determined.
Look how fast it spins.
He made another one. It's amazing. Can I try it later?
Look, it spins.
He finished them both.
Look how detailed they are.
He finished the big one. I wonder if it flies.
Look at that, it's really flying. He did it! The old man actually made it fly!